So we're going to do some Chinese chicken today. Absolutely delicious, nice and crispy. The process really is in cooking the chicken and getting it nice and crispy, and then we're going to add a lovely little sauce, which is really easy. This is beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we have here is some chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Cut that into nice thin, long strips. We've got eggs there. I've got 3 eggs, and here I've got cornstarch or corn flour, same thing, and salt and pepper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the salt and pepper in there just so we get a bit of a seasoned flour, and then we can get moving. So we've got our salt and pepper into our corn flour or cornstarch. You could use a different flour if you want, like wheat flour or potato starch, and also you could, if you want, add some 5-spice, powder in there, or maybe some star anise to give it a bit more of an Asian flavor. I'm just going with the salt and pepper. So I've got about, I think there's like 3 or 4 cups of the flour. We've probably got too much of everything. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to get our chicken and we're going to get it in. We're going to just coat it up, just give it a little basting like that. Set it to one side. Now you can put the whole lot in and then just work it in, which is what I'm going to do. Back in a moment. Okay, so you can see we've got our chicken floured. Now what we're going to do is we're going to dip each piece into egg and then into more seasoned flour, cornstarch there. Like I say, I've got excess of everything, so let me do that. So we go egg, and then the flour again, and then that's ready to fry. Let me repeat that and get it all done. Back in a moment. Okay, so you're going to need a skillet or a wok or something like that. I've got a few pieces here that we're going to go with. In there I've got a couple of centimeters of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, corn oil, canola, something like that works really well. What we're going to do is take the chicken and we drop it in, and we don't crowd the pan or it'll all stick together. So we're going to have to do this in quite a few batches because I've got quite a bit of chicken there. And it's going to take just like 4 to 5 minutes max. Like I say, really nice thin strips, so it'll cook really quickly. And then it comes out, goes onto some kitchen towel, and then I'll repeat the process. Okay, and that's perfect. They're nice and crispy, really good. Out they come, and I'm going to repeat the process until they're all done. Okay, so there we go. Now we've got enough chicken there to do 2 videos, 2 recipes. So you're going to see this one and another one. But yeah, really crispy and beautiful. Let's move on. So we've got our chicken there. Now look, by the way, you can eat that chicken just like that. Obviously, it's fantastic. You can dip that in some ketchup or something, whatever you like, bit of barbecue sauce, delicious. Okay, we're gonna make this right here. So I've got 1 cup of onions. I've got half a cup of green onions. I've got 1 tablespoon of garlic. I've got 1 tablespoon of ginger. I've got 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using a light one. You could use dark if you want. I've got 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And in there, I've got 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Let's get to the cooker. We'll have this done in absolutely no time. So again, a wok, skillet, something like that. In there, I've got 3 tablespoons of an oil. Again, you can use what you want. This is a sunflower oil here. We're going to start off by dropping in that 1 cup of onion. And as you can hear, the heat is on nice and high. To that, we're going to add a tablespoon of the ginger and the garlic. Tablespoon each, that is. And then I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm not adding any salt to this because the fish sauce is particularly very salty, and the soy and the oyster sauce are also salty. So for me, no need. A few seconds here, and then we're going to go in with our chicken. And we're going to go for like 3 or 4 minutes on this high heat, stirring it around all the time. Really beautiful. The onions, the garlic and the ginger already putting their lovely flavors onto that beautiful chicken. Right, we're now going to go with a little bit of water. Fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, green onions. 3 more minutes on the high heat, job done. It's a beauty. And there you go, straight onto the plate. Just put a few sesame seeds on the top of that. Of course, that's beautiful with some plain white steamed rice or with some sort of noodles. Absolutely delicious, lovely, crispy Chinese chicken. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.